How do I fly through gaps in FPV? I think my first answer would be to not leave your house, to practice, get all your time in the simulator. Why I say the simulator? Because it saves you loads of pounds and damage to your FPV drone. With gaps, I am not the best, but my theory with my own personal experience in gaps, look through the gap and not at the gap. So when approaching gaps, I would always do the gap 2, 3, 4, 5 times. There's never one-offs, and if there is, extreme luck. With gaps, the first attempts through the gap are literally going to be as slow as possible. Slow. The second attempt for the gap would be slow but a little bit smoother, i.e. slow with a little bit more control. Now, after you've gone through those attempts and 100 crashes, of course, my next and final attempt before I get the final one take through the gap, my final attempt is to think about where I'm going once I go through the gap. So as I said, look through the gap, not at the gap. Think about once you go through the gap, are you going up, down, left, right? Thinking so will allow you to plan and combine in your head a stick input for exit. Now, when it comes to most FPV tricks, gaps, physics, there's always a planning stage. Then when you go to execute, there's always an entry, doing it, and the exit. So always think about the exit before you even attempt to do that operation.